First and foremost, I would like to thank Hmong Music Festival for having me and bringing me out along with all the other amazing artists. And last but not least, thank you, Ji Lee, for these interview questions. This is the first time that I have done something like this, so thank you so much. And yeah, let's just dive right into it. So, do you ever plan to perform with a guitar live on stage or a live band? And the answer is yes and yes. I would love to one day perform with a live band when we have the time, when we have the space, when we have found the right members, and most importantly, the right sound, because I know my music can be a little tricky since, you know, there's pop, hip hop, and there's ballads, so the switch up and the versatility is very important. And then performing with a guitar live on stage. So I used to do that a lot when I was younger, for a good probably 6 years, and I want to get back into it. I still have my guitar, I still have a ukulele, but I think it's just so hard because I have trouble multitasking when it comes to playing and strumming while singing. So I feel like if I'm playing the guitar, there's only so much I could do with my vocals, because unlike Tori Kelly, that girl, she's just real good. She can go crazy with it. But for me, if I'm playing the guitar, I could only do so much with my vocals. But for sure, it is something that I want to become better at, and continue that skill that I had when I was younger. So yes, I do plan to again, and hopefully soon.
Yes, but every single princess misses X. I'm feeling kinda bad, 'cause every time we had was the best.